Hi, so today I'm going to show you a mini potato harvest. So these two are my buckets in which I was growing potatoes. These are homegrown potatoes, seed potatoes. That means I grew them January, February, and then we harvested them in June. And then these are the potatoes I had in my which I was using, which was my storage potatoes, and they sprouted and I planted them again. So this may not be the hugest, biggest potatoes you guys have seen, but these are homegrown and delicious. So let's see what's gonna happen, okay? So when you see your potato plants, which were standing majestically, kind of die off, it still has some green. Maybe I could have left it a little longer. They die off and they fall like this. Same like this one. See, they have fallen off, they're dry. You can actually wait a little longer, but I'm literally running out of potatoes, so I'm gonna see if I can get some. This was a total volunteer plant. It's called Nostraceum, and they make beautiful flowers. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop off this longer potato stems. So you need your trusted scissors, your gloves, because we're gonna play with soil, right? So move these away. I'll do the same thing with the other one. So taking them out, and we're gonna dump the soil in here, and we'll see what we get. Okay, so you can see that there's a new potato plant coming out. Sometimes if you leave them long enough, they will grow back, guys. So I don't know if this is from one of my potatoes which is in there. Again, don't expect huge potatoes. It's too wet, guys. Should have stopped watering. If it's drier, it's easier to harvest. So here, this one potato. Again, don't expect huge potatoes. This is homegrown, so they're going to be small mostly. That's a good size one. This, I think it's a new plant, so I'm just going to keep it apart. This is again growing, so I'm going to plant it. So far, that's all we got. And that is not, I'm not happy. It's like I planted one small one and I got a bigger one. So this is not a good harvest. But hey, we'll take what we get. Right? See, I was about to make a video about my garden failures. So maybe this could be called one of my garden failures. 2 potatoes from 2 potatoes. Okay, next one. You see these? If you leave it in the ground, they will form another potato. Right. Baby ones. Save this plant. So I guess that's it. Yeah. So one thing I noticed is when you plant them on the ground, you tend to get more than the containers. But the good thing with the containers is so easy to water, to grow, and to harvest. So this is our haul for today. This is not a big harvest at all. It's a very small harvest, but you get the happiness of growing it and knowing that it has no chemicals or whatnot in it. So there you go. A little potato harvest.